What is going on, Road Warriors? Errol here from High Road Comics, and today I wanted to show you my pickups. No, not the whole thing is full, but I got the box. My pickups from Comic Hunting. Shout out to Key Collectors Apps and Jim's Comics. I got some spec books, I guess. Watch out, dude. Watch out. Alright.
Whosoever watches this channel, if he or she be worthy, shall acquire the knowledge from High Road Comics.
Alright. So, I don't want you to think that, I'm a flipper or anything, but I might have a couple doubles. Oh, and I guess I'll show you some pickups. I got X-Force number 6, X-Force number 5, but yes, I got these. Exiles number 2 with MCU Valkyrie, I guess. The spec's hot. She's actually a pretty cool character. I really liked her in Thor Ragnarok. I got Champions number 22, Amadeus Cho as Braun, and then of course you got Riri on there and Nova. Sam Alexander is Nova. But yeah. And then I was just looking through, for some of those the top 20s, Journey into Mysteries, and I saw this one. It's a second print, and it's dope because I am gonna put this one up next to my Black Order comics and that Thanos 1 of 25 Zafino that I got, and I'm gonna put them up in the room. Tom Hiddleston. Black cover. There's a little crease there. I guess I could get it pressed out. You can't even see it. But yeah, dope. What else did I get? I don't want you to think I'm a flipper or anything. Actually, let me show you these first. Oh, I got like 50 of these. All right. Shout out to Comic Tom 101 for putting Iron Man number 284 on their True First video. This is the death of Tony Stark. So, Endgame spoilers? The ban's been lifted. Check that out. It's dead, Craig. X-Force number 4. X-Force number 7. I am missing X-Force number 3, and I refuse to pay those eBay prices. Oh, I also got Batman and the Outsiders number 1. Don't know why I didn't get it the first time or on Wednesday. I don't want you to think I'm a flipper or anything. I'm not. I'm gonna hold on to them. I don't want you to think I'm a flipper or anything. Ooh! Exiles number 3. There's one you haven't seen yet. I don't even know if I should post this video. And Champions 22. So, I went pop hunting and ended up going comic hunting instead. Yeah, that's all I got. Let me know what you think of my pickups. I'm definitely holding on to these XL number 3s. I'm gonna put one on my wall and one in the PC box because, well, Peggy Carter holding up that Captain America shield, pretty dope. So Exiles. I didn't even know it was like Doctor Who kind of stuff. Like What If Doctor Who, and I'm really excited about it. So yeah, that's all I got. I guess I'll see you at the next stop. This is High Road Comics signing off.